Hello friends, how are you? In this video I am going to share a honest review related to a product which name is Differin acne treatment gel. In this video we'll discuss what are the benefits and what are the main feature of this product, and then we'll discuss what is the best way to apply this gel to get its maximum result, and in the end we will discuss whether it is working or not, or how much time it product take to cure acne or acne marks. But before starting my video, I request you please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon so that you can get notifications of my every video. Thanks for watching, and let's start the video. Differin acne treatments is specially formulated for acne prone skins and for sensitive skin. And this is retinoid treatment for face with 0.1% adapalene. Adapalene is in fact a medication of retinoids compounds, and this product is available in 15 grams tube packing. I am going to tell you that every acne is different, but this product is useful for occasional acne as well as your breakout or normal acne. Now I am going to tell you what is the best way to apply this gel to get its maximum result. Then we'll discuss its benefits. First of all, I am going to tell you that during this treatment moisturizer is highly recommended. First of all, you have to cleanse your face, then follow up with moisturizer, and then use this gel morning and evening. But I am suggesting you on initial stages you have to use once a day at night time, and follow sunscreen at daytime, and moisturizer is highly recommended during this treatment. Now I am going to tell you what is the feature of this gel and what is the benefits of this gel. Differin works definitely than other acne treatments by normalizing skin cells turnovers and effectively targets two primary causes of acne: clogging pores or inflammations. Adapalene was created to reduce acne and to reduce acne affected areas. And the best part of this gel is that it is water-based formula, oil-free, alcohol and fragrance-free formula. It is non-comedogenic and help reduce the risk of scarrings and hyperpigmentations by treating acne. And it is clinically approved. And now I am going to tell you that how much time this product will take to cure acne and acne scars. I'm going to tell you honestly that the first month was very bad for your skin if you are taking this treatment. It brought all underlying acne to the surface, and this is called the purge phase. And you have to purge for 3 to 4 months. But the first month was very worse. I mean to say that all underlying acne comes to surface, and your skin will becomes very sensitive to your other products, and you have to follow these treatments for continuously till you get a better results. After 1 month you can see a slowly improvement in your skin, and your acne marks will be lessened day by day. But you have to take these treatments 3 to 4 months regularly. First month, I am going to tell you again that first month is very bad for your skins. Your skin may be sensitive and your skin may be red, inflamed if you are taking this treatment. But after some times your skin becomes clear and your acne will be improved. And this is the honest review related to this product. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon button. I am going to tell you that if you are using this treatment, please follow sunblock and follow moisturize for best result. Thanks for watching.